Hi, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a quick video for those 2 or 3 people that are going to be trying to repair 32-inch GPX LED TV model TE3215B. This is what's behind the panel. It's a single board. This is as cheap as they get, and in our case the red light would come up and there will be nothing. It wouldn't respond to power or anything, and the main processor, which is right here, would be getting warm. You go on eBay and you try and expect to find that board for $10–15. As of today, you don't. You type the model of the TV, which is again here, TE3216 or whatever it was, 3215B, and you don't find it. What you can find on eBay, however, is a mainboard for element ELEFW 328C. This is the label that came with the mainboard that we purchased on eBay, and this is actually, well, let me see. This is actually the main board from Element. So the original main board is this one, and there is a very, very small difference. As you can see, it is actually the lack of this connector here on the Element main board. This connector is being used in that TV. It's for the audio out, those two. But that board on eBay, that one, the Element board, is like $13 or $15. And what you do is you get it, and you gotta move the EEPROM for the main processor, that IC here. You gotta desolder it using hot air gun and just put it on the Element board. Because if you try and use the Element board, the first thing that you will notice is the power button will still not work, because it's expecting a different value for the power. And it can be powered on with an Element remote, like this one. But if you do, the image will be upside down. And one possible solution is to go and reconfigure that and just use it as it is. Then the power buttons on the side wouldn't work. Power and maybe the others. I haven't tried it. But if it is reconfigured so that it's not upside down, then the remote would be just fine. Well, what we did is we sacrifice those two, and it's possible that they may have to be soldered here and that they may work. Maybe we'll do that, I don't know. Most people will probably don't need those anyway. It's just a $15 solution and a little bit of work and moving one chip. Hopefully it helps someone, or even maybe 2 people. Thank you very much for watching this, and best of luck repairing and saving stuff from the trash dump.